Hey everybody, I'm gonna take off a multi-function switch on a 2004 Dodge Neon. It's actually a pretty complex switch here. Controls your headlights, blinkers, looks like the windshield wipers, everything. So first of all, we need a Phillips screwdriver to take off this bottom, this bottom part. See the right under here, there's two screws you gotta take out, and then you pop that out, pop the covers off, take the two covers off, and then right here is the switch. See, and then on the top here of the switch, there's these two hex screws right here. They sit right here on top. See that? Put one back in there for you. See, I take them off, and then these two plugs back here, you just unplug these plugs, and then you pop it out like this. It pops right out. See that? There's the plug. Here it is. See? Multi-functions. Got the one here, and then the other one here. Switch. See? So, and here's the plugs. Here's probably the biggest problem where that goes wrong with these. There's a big burn right here. See, this plug's all burned up. They get brittle and then the connections touch. So everybody probably thinks they got a bad switch and it's probably just a plug. But yeah, if you gotta put a new one in, it's pretty easy. Probably take you 5 minutes. I'm new to YouTube, and it's my first video actually. Been working on a car since I was 16. I'm 38 now, and I feel like I can help people. So I'm gonna make a video on everything I fix. Thanks.